Hello everyone, this is Nikhil and welcome back to our channel Nikhil's Learning World. This is our Kotlin programming series, okay, and this is our 30 number episode. So today we will more discussion on the type alias and destructuring in declaration in Kotlin. Okay, so this is a very interesting topic, and up to now, if you have still any queries or any suggestions, please you can comment me, and you have not subscribed it, please do subscribe this channel and please click on the bell notification so you will get upcoming session notification on your device. Okay, so this is Nikhil, and I hope you are enjoying this series, and today this is our 30 number episode and we will discuss on this topic. So in this video, we will explore two powerful Kotlin features that helps you to write cleaner, simpler, and more readable code, right? So what is type alias? So see, it's a simple and complex type, and restructuring declaration that is means an exact multiple values easily. Okay. So what we will learn here and what type alias is and why it's useful, how to simplify complex and function type, and what destructuring and declaration are, and how to use destructure with the data classes pair and map. So and real world examples as well for a better understanding. Okay, and by using these features helps to you reduce the complexity, improve readability code, and return cleaner and maintaining the Kotlin code, right? And these topics will cover the type alias basics and use cases, function types, aliasing, and destructuring with the data classes, and destructuring in loops, and ignoring using underscore. And yes, so let's continue. The next topic is as type alias in Kotlin. Okay, so basically type alias allows you to give a new name to the existing type. Okay, and it does not create a new type. Okay, whatever the current name will be created new with the existing type. Okay, so it just create a shortcuts or alias. Okay, you got the point. And why use of this type alias in Kotlin? So it's become simply to complex types, improve code readability, make the code more meaningful. Okay, so you can see here basic example as like type alias name equal to existing type. So in this way we can create a type alias in Kotlin. So a simple example you can see here, like in simple type alias username equal to string. Okay, and function print name, username and name. So here username is just another the name of string. Okay, you got the point. Here username is just another name for string. In this way we can create a type alias in Kotlin. Second example, like complex function type. So type alias operator equal to integers, and here in example you can see operation equal to a comma b and it a plus b. So instead of writing integer comma integer and integer again and again, we can use the operation here. You got the point? Operation, O capital operation we can use instead of writing again and again integer and integer. Okay, so it's a complex function type. So next is lambda simplification. So what is that? So you can see here an example on click. We can use alias on click and it return unit, right? So for example, set click listener and listener, and here instead of writing integer comma integer, we can use operation as like a previous example. Okay, so this is a lambda simplification. By using the lambda simplification, we can customize this alias as well. Okay, so next is destructuring declaration. So what is destructuring? So destructuring allow you to an exact multiple values from an object into the variable. For example, data class. Okay, So data class, what is the data class? So data class, we are storing whatever the information like name or age. Okay, user is in data with the name and age. Okay, so in this Kotlin automatically generates component 1 and component 2 function. You got the point? We can call in this way, like example how it's work internally. You can see here name equal to username dot component 1 and is equal to user dot component 2. For example, with the pair value x comma y equal to pair 10 comma 20 and print x and print y. So it will be print 10 and 20. Example with map. By using the map key and value pair, you can see here an example with map. Okay, and ignoring values, underscore is used to ignore the values. Okay, so if you want to an optional, and it will be in example like alias and is 30, age is 30. Okay, by using underscore it ignore the values. Okay, it only consider the name as. Okay, so destructuring in functions, for example, you can see the get user equal to user, return user Sam and 28. So while name comma age equal to get user. So see, this is a destructuring of function. So a type alias versus destructuring, you can see here the feature as like purpose to rename the type and extract the values. Use case for simply types, simplify the types and access the multiple values. Output same type and multiple variable. These are the differences in between type alias and destructuring. So a real example you can see here, type alias user data equals to pair string comma integer. So get user equals to user data. User data is a data class and return John and 25. So clean and readable code, right? This is a clean and readable code. Val name comma age equal to get user and it will be print name and age. Okay, in this way, in this episode, we have discussed on the type alias and restructuring declarations in Kotlin. So I hope you understand on that and you can read more on this and get an idea on that. And if you have any queries, please comment me in this episode, in this video, and I hope you will get idea on that. And if you have helpful this video, please do like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next session. This is Nikhil signing off. Thank you.